Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make multiple color text shadow effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So I need to choose a blank canvas. So for this example I have chosen YouTube thumbnail as my canvas, and I will scroll down here to apps. Okay, and here I will type extrude. Okay, so I will choose this app and click on it. And I will keep the font as Pattaya, the default one, and here I will write a simple S. Okay, and after that I will work on the alignments and color also. So for the color I am choosing white as my text color. Okay, and for the shadow part I am choosing something like uh, sea green color. Okay, so I have chosen this one, and now let's work on the shadow part. So the angle is good. I will increase the length here. Okay, length I will increase to 900, which is the maximum one, and I will keep it as a white background, not the dark background, because the dark background will look like this and this doesn't look good as such. So I will keep it off, and I will click on add to design. So this is added to design, and now I will make it bigger. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, so after that I will just duplicate it, because I don't want to like change the settings, because in that case the design will not good. And I will duplicate it 6 times. So it is duplicated. For the second one I will just simply change the text to H and color to another color. Let's choose something in blue. Okay, and I will click on update element. I will continue for the third one. And for this I will choose this color. I am choosing just any random color, but if you want you can choose your specified color for your design. Now the work is for me to update and align the elements. And my work is complete. So as you can see, you can just make a multiple text shadow effect easily in Canva, and it is just very easy to follow tutorial and a very easy one. So if you want you can make this very quickly for your own design. Hope you like this tutorial, and let me know what else you want to see in my next tutorial. Thank you.